The new V200 and JRGB series from Thermaltake is a new set of cases that includes the latest 12-volt RGB synchronization features. Each case comes pre-installed with 3 RGB fans and a built-in controller with motherboard sync capabilities. Out of the box, they can be customized via the onboard controller. For those who would prefer to sync your fans with 12-volt compatible motherboards, simply plug in the pin and use their software to achieve the look you want. Here are 2 ways to customize the 3 RGB fans. To manually cycle through the modes, simply press the corresponding button. To cycle through the modes with your motherboard software, attach the connector to the appropriate header. The V200 and J series also add modern touches, such as a durable 4mm thick tempered glass panel and a PSU shroud for a cleaner look. Offering extra cooling expansion, these cases support fitments of up to 360mm radiators in the front, 280mm on the top, and a 120mm in the rear. For those who are looking for a drive bay on the front, the J22 has you covered. The V200 and J series cases are available at most major online and retail stores. To learn more, check them out at our website at thermaltakeusa.com.
The most common question when it comes to PC building is always the same. Where do I start? Building your own computer for the first time can often be an intimidating task, so we've gone through the trouble of making that experience a little less scary. Introducing the next level, the Level 20 MT. Complemented with a tempered glass front and side panel, the MT offers a gorgeous view of your internals and is highly durable if the worst should happen. Inside the case you'll find 3 ARGB case fans, adding much needed RGB goodness to your system, allowing your personality to fully shine through. And before you ask, the MT doesn't compromise on airflow. Air travels through the 2 cavities in the front of the case and is expelled out the back by the rear intake fan, ensuring the interior is kept cool and quiet. The MT supports radiators on both the top and front of the case, the defining feature being that you can side mount your radiator to give your build that extra bit of flair. The case also comes with a handy power supply cover to give the interior an unclean finish and a perfect place to hide all those unwanted cables. When it comes to storage, we've added plenty of space to add your hard drives and SSDs. The MT also comes fully equipped with the latest I/O, including an ARGB controller, allowing to switch between different color presets and lighting modes. So in the end, the Level 20 MT is the end result of nearly 20 years of Thermaltake's ingenuity and experimentation. It's the case that delivers on all fronts and provides that very first step into the world of PC building. So, are you ready for the next level?
This is the Corsair Icue 220T RGB Airflow, our new mid-tower ATX case where strong cooling meets smart lighting. The 220T was designed with high airflow in mind, but with its solid steel construction and perforated steel front panel, it offers a stylish look with the added benefit of durability. Included with the case are a lighting node core and 3 SP120 RGB Pro fans. Each SP RGB Pro fan has 8 individually addressable LEDs in the hub, and combined with our Icue software, you can get brilliant lighting effects right out of the box. To make this case even more eye-catching, we added an edge-to-edge tempered glass side panel to showcase all your awesome components and beautiful RGB lighting. The I/O panel has two USB 3.1 Type A ports, a 3.5mm combination headphone microphone jack, and your power and reset buttons. 3 removable dust filters in the front, top, and bottom of the case will help keep your PC looking clean and tidy. Additionally, there's ample radiator mounts with up to a 120mm in the back, a 240 in the top, or up to a 360mm in the front. For storage, there are 2 low-profile 2.5-inch drive brackets, and there's a removable drive cage that houses up to 2 additional 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives. With the 220T's built-in PSU cover, you can keep your power supply and cables out of sight, which makes it easy to build a clean-looking system without excess clutter. The 220T is a stylish mid-tower ATX case with optimal airflow that's perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.
Cooler Master has recently launched a new line of MasterBoxes, improving on every aspect that made the previous generation so amazing. Sitting at the top of this new series is the MB530P, packing premium features for those who love the look of addressable RGB and glass. This thing is a standalone showroom for your components, setting the glass stage for your beautiful build. 3 tempered glass panels make the component look great from any angle, especially when paired with the 3 included ARGB fans, and even the lead power button for good measure. Control of the lighting theme of your build is either done through the included controller, yes, it's included in the box, or straight from your motherboard if you're into having complete control. There is a partial seal print on the right tempered glass side panel that hides all the cable coming out from the power supply, and if you pair this feature with the use of the included metal cable cover, you can achieve a perfect cable routing without any effort. Cable management is always going to be on point, whether you hide it or you show it off with beautiful custom sleeved extensions. Inside the MB530P you'll find high-quality rubber grommets, foolproof zip tie points, and smartly placed openings to reach your motherboard and components easily. This case is also 100% water cooling ready with 360mm radiator support in the front and 240mm support on top. For more information, you can find the link in the description.
The updated NZXT H series improves upon the performance, connectivity, and overall design of our most popular cases. The new models include the H710 and H710i, H510 and H510i, and the H210 and H210i, ranging from mid-tower, compact mid-tower, and mini ITX cases. The tempered glass window beautifully showcases your build and now installs with a single captive thumb screw, making it easier than ever to access components. We've modernized the front I/O panel with a Gen 2 compatible USB-C connector, enabling you to connect smartphones, external storage, and peripherals to your PC. The audio connections have been updated to a single 3.5mm jack for broad compatibility with audio output devices. AirF fans are included for optimal internal airflow with removable filters on all intakes to help reduce dust in your build. All models include removable fan and radiator mounting brackets for radiators up to 240mm for the H210, up to 280mm for the H510, and up to 360mm for the H710. This simplifies installation of closed-loop or custom-loop liquid cooling by allowing you to install them to the bracket outside of the case. Our patented cable routing system makes organizing your cables simple, intuitive, and attractive. The Smart I versions feature pre-installed RGB lighting and digital fan control, the new Smart Device version 2, updated with a faster processor for improved performance and 2 Q2 compatible RGB channels. The Smart Device version 2 is fully integrated with CAM for total control of preset and custom lighting modes, as well as 3 fan channels supporting voltage regulated or PWM fans. By measuring system noise under multiple loads, the improved ambient noise reduction feature in CAM delivers an optimal balance between cooling and system noise. Both H510i and H710i allow you to mount your graphics card vertically for further customization. Simply remove the vertical GPU mounting bracket cover, insert a riser cable into a PCIe slot, install the GPU onto the bracket, then connect the riser to your GPU. The updated NZXT H series is available in white, black, and black and red colors at all authorized retail locations. You can learn more about the latest evolution in the H series at nzxt.com.